Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am here in Goa after a year and I'm so happy to be here right now. I'm here for a retreat, by the way, and I'm just quickly going to show you my room right now. Like I want to make it messy और उसके बाद मैं room tour नहीं कर सकती. So I'm just gonna start. This is basically the entrance of it, and there's Forum and Sonalika. We are both like a participant at the Bonding Boulevard. She's not here yet, but I'm excited to meet her. Let's just wait. You enter from here, and this is like bahar ka area to sit and chill, but it's so hot. And then this is the room, nice little cozy. If you guys have seen my Dandeli vlog, we stayed at Stonewood in Dandeli, and this is exactly like the same one. So basically this is like the bed, this is wardrobe that you open up and see, TV unit set, all the coffee and stuff. There's a mini fridge. It's so hot. This is again like to keep luggage and stuff. Got a full length mirror here. I am looking like a walking red flag today. And the very cool part is the bathroom looks really cool. Like it's so spacious. I can actually get ready, do my makeup and stuff right here. And the lighting is also good. Now I can actually go and messy the bed, which I'm gonna do right away. I am so damn. I'm so exhausted because last night I did not sleep well. I woke up early in the morning. I barely had like 2 hours of sleep, and in the flight also मैं थोड़ा बहुत up and down करके सोई थी, but नहीं हो पाया obviously. My body is in pain because I just did an MMA class day before. And अभी airport से यहाँ पे भी जो cab में मैं आई, उन्होंने बहुत ऐसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा चलाया. मैंने उनको बोला उसके बाद भी. So I am sick. Like car sick, I have acid reflux, and then I have a headache, and I've not slept well, so I don't know what to do. I just ordered lassi. I'm like, I really need to get better before I start this retreat. So yeah, I have so many interesting things to show you guys, everything that we're gonna do here. So yeah, you're in for a ride. Do like, share, subscribe. Please keep on watching. Okay, so I just woke up. We're all going to be meeting at villa number 18 now. My roommate has not come yet. I don't know where is she yet, but it's 5 p.m. and we're gonna kick off the retreat today. I'm just wearing something like really simple, casual, like a blue shirt, shorts. Yeah, let's go meet everybody. I don't know if I'll be comfortable vlogging around there, able to show you or show you all the people or activities that are happening here. I don't even know if that's okay, but I'm gonna try. If everyone's comfortable, I'm gonna show you. Let's go for it.
Quickly get started. So first of all, guys, thank you so much for agreeing to be the part of this retreat. पहली चीज तो this room, what we call as activity room, ये अपना den. This room is open 24/7. Come in, walk in, sit, read, do whatever. एक simple सा rule है that there are no rules.
Yes.
एक ही aim है TPV का, serving the soup. That's what our tagline is.
Hey guys, so I'm back in my room. So basically the room that we all attend, जहाँ पे first introduction वाला session हुआ, that lasted for like good 3 hours, and each of us introduced ourselves. I met a lot of people from all different places. There were so many people I met from Mumbai. The place that we call it now is the Den. All the sessions, like every day there are going to be almost like 3 sessions. So all the sessions are going to happen in the Den. So you're going to see a lot more of the room, but it's also a space which is like a non-judgmental place, and people are opening up, and I'm opening up, and people are sharing their life stories and learnings and so many things. So I don't want to like record it all and put it out there for you to like watch it. I think it's something that one should experience, but I'll give you like views of what the session was about after it's done. So today was the first day. Once everybody arrived at 5 p.m, there was the first introductory welcome session. All of us were welcomed so warmingly. हम लोग वो जब 10 में enter किए, there were canvas paintings been like drawn or painted by a 19-year-old. Can you imagine? इसमें लिखा था the quote, my name and the quote, remember to remember, which is what my tattoo is about. And these are like tiny details which, you know, while filling up the form for this retreat, I filled in one of the sections. I don't even remember right now, but they told me that this is something that we study a lot about, you guys. I mean, a well thought welcome is something I really appreciate. We were given this notepad and stuff and putting the name and what we think about or what we want to talk about with the other participants in the retreat. Now we've just placed order for dinner and now we're gonna chill for a bit, and then 10 o'clock ko raat ko there's another session today, so I'm gonna tell you all about it. Kya hai? Maybe right now I can show you like my new friends that I made here in the retreat. So let's. Hi, say hi to my vlog. Sapna.
Yes.
Come.
Naveen.
जो भी बना
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Cheers. Hey guys, so I just got done with lunch and I'm gonna go and take you to the den to show what is the session that we probably like did in the morning. That's Sid. Hi, what's up? Where are you going?
Tribe is here.
Tribe? Oh, that one. उनको मिलाती हूँ बाद में vlog से. People who were in the earlier retreat, they are here. They came yesterday also, last night, to meet everybody, and there's like such fun people, but last night we didn't get time to interact much. Anyway, this is the den. This is a non-judgmental zone, TBB. We have like an insider joke now कि ज़्यादातर लोग यहाँ से बॉम्बे से, तो it has become the Bombay Boulevard. Cute. This is what it looks like when you enter. So yesterday we had all these paintings. They are done by a 19-year-old. Her name is Anam, and this is Remember to Remember, the painting I was talking about yesterday. These are the participants. That's me! Wanderlust in her heart, brilliance in her work, and a smile that lights up every part. We got some snack. We got this, जो fancy है एकदम काफी, and इसमें अंदर there are different kind of sheets. So we got this sheet yesterday, the Hello Hurdle. There's a My Build Up Story. Whispers of the Day is basically every morning we're supposed to fill this. It says like it has some questions like today I'm grateful for, today's affirmation, the energy I carry today, and things like that. This is our basic starter kit to learn about ourselves. This is basically the session room. यहाँ पे सब sessions होते हैं. तो ये है सिंहासन. यहाँ पे जाके हम बैठ के like we give our story, and otherwise like everybody is here, you know, like the entire tribe is here. So now you have like a good idea कि मैं एक ये रूम में सेशन में आती हूँ एंड यहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ होता है. I don't know, I'll probably insert snippets or clips of everybody, or you know, some things that happens during the session if there's anything interesting as such to show, but I don't want to show you people's story and struggles and life thing, because I feel you guys need to experience it. So by the end of it I'll give you like an overview of not the people but my experience, so you can maybe think for yourself if you want to like attend this next retreat with them. But so far I am loving it. I'm taking my yellow pad with, but we are staying at Stonewood Resort, and this is the pool. I really wanted to like wake up in the morning and go to the pool, but I was so sleepy and tired from yesterday. I did not wake up on time, and then I had a 10 a.m. session, and abhi to I can't go because it's so damn hot. Maybe I'll go here tomorrow morning, because now again at 3:30 we have a session. So I'm gonna go there. I'm going to rest for a bit and then go for the session. We have Mustafa here.
Hello.
He is such a talented photographer, and he's here with us for the trip. And not just a photographer, but he's actually a very fun person to hang out with.
Chai rakhiye. Give to all our participants.
Yes.
Okay,
Forum
present.
ABCD से स्टार्ट करो.
अभी और सबका मुझे आज याद करना है.
Oh, this story is actually not just about my relationship, but my belief of starting in the universe. And I'm like, okay, wow. So this was ideally the first sign that, like an instant sign from the universe. Right out of the dargah. And then I come back, get my feelings and everything. And then he's like, okay, I really don't know what I'm going to talk about, but talk about it. Like, I have an elder brother and a younger sister.
Very elder one is like very nice, calm. My parents also like that.
Some are good stories, some are bad stories.
Hey guys, just got out of the pool and finally my roommate is there, जो मैं कल से introduce करना भूल गई, Sonalika. Yeah, I was waiting for you and all my people here know I've been waiting for you. But she's here and we're having such a good time. It's
And
so fun.
we are gonna
twin
again.
Yes, we're gonna twin. We twin for the pool as well, but I don't think we have any footages. Hopefully not.
I mean, I was under the water half the time.
Yeah, and it was dark, so it's okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, we are just having so much fun, and now I'm quickly gonna go ready because it's traditional night tonight. And I just came out of the shower and I saw she's wearing this in purple. I kid you not, I have legit the same one in red. Let me just get ready and show it to you guys. Okay, guys, spot the difference. Just the work of it, but literally buttons भी same है हमारे. And oh my god. कैसे हो सकता है ये? So cute, no? You're camera conscious by any chance? You're not seeing anything in front of the camera.
I am conscious.
Okay, okay.
No, but it's okay. I have to get normal with it.
She'll get used to it, but yeah, she's deciding to wear another fit, and I'm telling her not to.
But I want to wear the jhumkas.
You can wear it on this also. I'm also wearing jhumka on this. Actually, wear it. Yeah, it's okay.
I will wear it and show it to you and tell
Yeah.
you.
Okay, guys, guys can be a judgment of it. Probably if she's okay. We're ready and we're gonna go for dinner. I'm wearing very like lamba wala jhumka and I wore bindi also, chotu sa. But that's my fit. Let me like give you a full length mirrored look. Yep. She's judging me. She's like, what are you doing? But yeah, very simple. Other girls are wearing sari. So I think we are underdressed for sure, but it's okay. We're gonna be comfortable.
We were shining in the pool.
Yeah, very much shiny.
कैसे कहें कि हमें आपसे कुछ तो कसूर है आपकी अदाओं का, कुछ तो कसूर है आपकी अदाओं का, अकेले हम ही गुने।
Just got done with the session. It's almost so late. Like the ghazal and the storytelling and everything. It lasted for like good 2.5 hours. It was beautiful. It was amazing. It was like so immersive. Loved it. Yeah, coming. Anyway, I am gonna go now. We're gonna go to the beach. It's so exciting. Let's go. Hey guys, good morning. I am out and about in this fit and I am going for breakfast. Last night we went to the beach. It was so fun. Like we were there till almost 2:30, 2:45. Came back at 3 and then slept. It was nice.
I think it's just not okay.
Guys, ये 2 दिन में अब तक 4 बार गिर चुकी है.
Guys, learn it from the major clumsy person here.
She's just scaring the shit out of everybody. ऐसे random time पे
She was telling me yesterday कि मेरे से ना गिरना सीख लो. And I'll be expert soon.
No wonder I think हमारा जो सिर्फ मेरा और सोनालिका का बोर्ड जो है हमारे दूर से गिर रहा है. मेरे को लग रहा है वो इसका ही असर हो रहा है.
Depicting the personality
Yeah.
of the people staying inside.
Exactly. But you're making Urak now. So excited. Like summers may, if you are in Goa and if you're not having Urak, then you're not living the proper Goa life. Am I right or am I right? So this is our Urak table, all the stuff. And we're gonna like make a reel out of it. But the first thing is we need to like finalize the good music. Hello. What's up? Ready?
Yes, taking the backup
आओ.
in case.
Yeah, मेरे को भी लेना चाहिए था, but ठीक है, no stress. Anyway, yeah, we are going to some Sanjana place to maybe like chill, party. I don't want to party, but like I also want to party. I also want to wake up tomorrow early in the morning and go to the beach. So I have like many things that I want to do. Then I'm also taking like a workshop session tomorrow about social media and marketing and stuff with the group. So there's a lot, but okay, I'm just going to like have fun, let loose and have fun. But I'm so happy with my outfit, the way it turned out. There's a backstory to this which you guys can check on my other channel, which is Living with Fora, and the gang is waiting. Hello. We're just going now. Let's go. The gang is here. Half of it. Let's go. No, मेरे इसके लिए बोल रही थी. I was in the vlog.
क्या चल रहा है इधर?
Such hot girls behind. पीछे भी है दो लोग.
अब इंसान ड्राइव करे कैसे बोल?
हाँ, नहीं कर पाएंगे.
आगे देख के.
अब इधर देख लो.
It takes me a while to identify her.
Yeah, that's what. There were girls coming and he's like, कहाँ है अपनी लड़की कौन सी? Like black सपना.
Oh, the
And then
lady
you
next
actually
to-
came in the golden hour thing, no? All the more beautiful. Just got back from some morning sessions. We had like back-to-back 4 sessions today. I also took a session. I took a workshop for an hour and taught a lot about social media, posting, consistency, my 3 C's. I was a little conscious, but I did it anyway. And after that, we went for a sound therapy, which was amazing. I felt so heavy during the session, but then like by the end of it, I felt so lighter. So that was good. Now that we are on almost the last bit of it, I'm gonna go make some urrak and
Yes.
hey. How was the session for you?
It was so, I mean, I did not expect that to be so relaxing, and I did not know I could control my body like that.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Like,
Yeah.
I never experienced anything like this in my life.
Exactly, and
I'm
she
gonna
controlled
recommend this to anybody and everybody.
drinking for an hour. So.
And I had not smoked today since I woke up.
Oh yeah, that's an achievement. That's a big achievement.
Slowly,
Slowly.
slow and steady wins the race.
Yes, we're gonna go make urrak now. At least I'm gonna drink urrak. You have the beer.
I will also drink beer and urrak.
Urrak, both. Okay. I'm gonna find a fool for this fool. I think सब खत्म हो गया, so I think I'll just pluck one. Yep. This looks nice. Now I'm gonna go in the pool. I just went to the pool once throughout this trip, and I need me some ocean cleanse. This swim, I am a little late, but I am going for Sapna's bachata session. Everybody is there. I think आधा घंटा हो भी गया, and I'm still late. I was taking a bath, और मैं बिना तैयार होके जा रही हूँ. बाल भी ऐसे ही बना के जा रही हूँ. But let me show you quickly what she's teaching. I may not be able to participate now because class पूरा आगे बढ़ चुका है और मैं अभी तक पीछे हूँ. Sonalika's session, just now there's coffee. We are doing some kind of paint. So excited because this involves coffee. Let's do it, guys. Are we excited for the last session?
Second last.
नहीं हम सबके तरफ से लास्ट है ना.
इस पे मैं
Yes, we will no longer be sitting on the
tell you
सिंहासन.
क्या करना है.
इस पे मैं अपनी मछली बनाऊंगी.
बैठेंगे?
इस पे मैं मछली बनाऊंगी.
ओह, कोई फिश? अच्छा, तुम कैन बना रही हो?
आज भी कर रही हो.
वही बोल रही हूँ खुद को. I am going to make a fool out of myself.
Then I'm gonna make here lighter, darker and more darker. Or you can just make something with a pencil. Take the lighter one and throw it on the page. Let it dry. And then I have gotten the black ball pen. Outline everything. You can shade it with different color, different shades of that, or maybe shade it with the ball pen only.
Okay, so one last time we gather here for the last session. First of all, on behalf of our team, I would like to thank you for choosing to be part of this edition. We plan a lot of things, कुछ हो पाती हैं, कुछ नहीं हो पाती हैं. But then at the end of the day, अच्छी बात ये होती कि the day when you came in, वो participant थे, कंपनी थी. That doesn't exist. First day जब आप आए तो बड़े अदब से बैठे थे, ये बॉटल लेके बैठे. हाँ. सबका पोस्चर बदल जाता है चीज़ों में. तो that's what it's all about.
And just like that, 4 days in Goa came to an end. I walked into this retreat not knowing a single soul, and I am walking out with a heart full of memories and people who now feel like family. Every day here was a journey in itself, from the sessions we learned and unlearned to the late night conversations, the laughs, the tears, the hugs that lingered a little longer. Something shifted. I'm so grateful to the Bonding Boulevard for curating something this honest and powerful. I didn't expect to walk away changed, but I am lighter, softer, and more me than I have felt in a long time. If you have been watching this and wondering if something like this is for you, it is. Take the leap. You never know what magic is waiting on the other side. Till next time, with a heart full, this is Forum signing off.